Today I am here with my new recipe in my channel Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com. That is called lip smacking murukku sandwich. All loves to eat chat items, but we don't make at home. We often buy things from outside and have a nice time with friends and all. But for a change, why can't we do at home? And why can't we sit at home with our family members and eat chat? That would be a great idea, is it not? Now I'll tell you all the ingredients to make muruk sandwich. For that, I have taken a packet of muruk in this. Only small you need to take because you're going to put the whole muruk inside your mouth. So don't take big and all. Only small muruk is enough to make muruk sandwich. We need rice flour safe. I have taken rice flour safe. You will get it in besan safe also, that is gram flour safe, but don't take that. Instead of gram flour safe, take rice flour safe. This will be tastier than the gram flour safe. In the chat items, they use only rice flour safe. So I have taken a packet of rice flour safe. I have taken 2 Amul cheese, 1 bowlful of mint leaves, not a bowlful, only a half cup of mint leaves. I'm going to take a bowlful of coriander leaves. In this, we are going to make the chutney for the muruk sandwich. For that, people usually say that it is made of pudina chutney. No, it is not made up of pudina. We have to take the coriander leaves and we are going to make the chutney. The secrets they will not tell, those who do the chat items and all. So I am telling you the secret that the chutney is not made up of mint leaves. It is made up of coriander leaves, only a few mint leaves, a bowlful of groundnuts will go into this. I have roasted this, I have peeled the skin and kept it, and 6 to 7 green chilies I have taken. It should be spicy, then only it will be very nice. Chat items must be spicy and all. I have taken a lemon. This juice goes into the chutney. And with that, I am taking chat masala, black salt. This is black salt. We have to add the black salt. And a normal salt also I have taken. I will tell you how many spoons we are going to use all this. And the vegetables, you have to take onions, tomatoes and the cucumber. You have to cut medium sizes like this shape. You have to cut like this. This will go right into the muruk and it will sit so that when we are eating it will be good. In this form you have to cut. Now while doing the muruk sandwich I will cut these onions because if I cut it now it will come off, and the tomatoes also you have to cut like this only. Now first to start with this, we will make the chutney first. I have taken mixer jar. Now I am going to put the peanuts, roasted peanuts, coriander leaves. I am adding mint leaves in this. I am adding green chilies too. 6 to 7 chilies I have taken. Those people who like more spicy can add, no problem. Now I am going to grind this. I am adding little water in this. small teaspoon of salt in this. We have to add the black salt also. So check for the seasoning and then add. I have grinded this to this consistency. Should be thick only. This can be used for sandwiches also. Can use this for sandwich. Now I am transferring it in a bowl. Now I have grinded this to give a twist, and we will make this chutney more chatpata by adding one whole lemon which I have cut and kept. This juice will go in this. If the lemon is small, you can take one full lemon. My lemon is big. I am going to take only half. Remove the seeds. I have added the lemon juice, and a half of the tablespoon of black salt goes in this. Give a quick mix and keep it aside. I am squeezing the remaining lemon also. That was not enough for me, so I am squeezing the remaining lemon, and our chutney is ready for the muruk sandwich. We will see the next procedure. Now I am keeping the muruk in this plate. Add little bit of chutney in each muruk. Now at this stage I am cutting the onions, and we have to keep on this like that. See, it has been well settled. After topping with onions, I am topping it with tomato. See the slices? Lovely. Thin slices you have to cut and keep. On top of this goes the cucumber. Now look, on top of this I am topping it up with cucumber. How many of you feel like eating now itself? So, everybody will have that feel. I want you all to try it at home and see. On top of this, I am putting the chutney again. And on top of this, I am going to add some chaat masala powder. I am adding chaat masala powder on top of this. After this, one whole cheese goes into that cheese cube. I am grating it. Cheese on top of that. See how yummy it is looking. Don't buy from outside and eat. Do it at home. Try it. You will love it. Now see that how beautiful it looks. Oh, now my mouth is watering. The chaat masala with the black salt, with the cheese. and all the uh, vegetables and the chutney. So lovely. Now I am keeping on top of that another milk in that. Now on top of that I am putting that save, rice flour save. Final finishing I am giving to this Morocco cheese sandwich. You will love it. Please do try it at home. Like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, it's bye from Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com. Bye. See you.